Hello, I'm Jacob Martinez. I'm a licensed therapist who specializes in working with couples in Milwaukee.
Hi, I'm Nathaniel Chua. You can call me Nathan. I'm here from the Philippines. I counsel individuals, couples, and families.
We're excited to share with you a brand new course that we've developed, which is perfect for anybody who's experienced infidelity in their relationship.
So the title of our course is After the Affair, a first aid toolkit for couples recovering from an affair or an infidelity. Are you in the middle of recovering from infidelity? Do you want help? But, you know, Jacob, I think a lot of people hesitate on seeing a couples therapist when there has been a discovery of an affair,
Mm,
right?
mhm. It's a very sensitive issue. Not many people want to talk about it, but a lot of people do or would benefit from talking about it.
Yeah, there's a lot of shame culture here in the Philippines. So coming to see a complete stranger who you don't know or you are unsure of, especially for those who haven't had therapy in the past, it could be quite challenging. What if you had a tool to learn from the privacy of your home? You don't have to see a therapist right away. That's why we call this a first aid toolkit, right, Jacob?
Yes, that's exactly right.
Okay.
And while a toolkit like this course can be very helpful, of course, nothing is going to be more critical than seeing an actual therapist in person or virtually that can work with you and your specific situation. This course will help you understand the
What?
reactions
Mm,
that are typical and completely normal and expected after an affair, and also how to handle communication with your partner during this difficult time.
So please also note that infidelity nowadays need not be an actual physical affair. Most couples get into a relationship without discussing what for them individually constitutes an affair. Have you had this experience, Jacob, that affairs are not just actual, dates or
Mhm.
relationships, physical relationships that one of the couples is having?
Yes, it happens all the time. Unfortunately, couples don't think to talk about, what would I consider to be an affair or
Hmm.
cheating? And since it's
Hmm.
undefined, many partners, either think, this isn't a big deal, or I don't have to share this information with my
Hmm.
partner. I'm only texting somebody that I used to date, or, I'm only
Hmm.
sending photos back and forth.
Hmm.
Uh, but technology, especially these days, allows us to engage in relationships in ways that we never used to before.
Yeah, I'm only browsing some Instagram photos,
Mhm.
so these can be pretty challenging times for couples.
Infidelity can also affect a couple across time. So, this course is not just for people who have recently discovered an affair, but it can also be for couples who had an affair in their past, or even something
Mm,
that was not shared at all uh, in a previous relationship that we're just finding out about right now. So, it's a great course for people who are in the middle of the discovery of an affair or have endured knowing about an affair for some time, but are still struggling to figure out what is a normal reaction to this? What can I expect from myself and my partner? How can we talk about this more workably?
yes, and the last part of this slide, things that are have not been shared to the partner, these can involve like, oh, you didn't know that that was your ex-girlfriend from high school. So that can be quite a revelation for someone, especially if there's renewed contact with a previous, let's say, crush or fling or some kind of puppy love. So these affairs can be affairs of the heart or actual just platonic affairs or physical affairs, and it can happen to any couple.
That's right. And if you're interested in learning more about the course and signing up, you'll find a link in the video description below.